I just want y'all to see this, what I'm doing. I'm driving up a canyon, but I want y'all to see what Colorado look like. Boy, look at that, boy. Shit look Photoshop, boy, look at that. Yeah, driving in the bus. I just want y'all to see how beautiful this look. Yeah, I'm sitting here driving. I'm sitting down. Y'all see that, boy? Y'all see that, boy? Look at that, boy. Look. Don't you wish you were here? Don't you wish you were here? I'm just playing. But look, yeah, this is the kind of sights I be seeing, bro. I don't just be showing everybody all the stuff I be doing. But, you know, sometimes you be seeing ish. You can't be showing everybody everything, you know what I'm saying? Look, I just want to show you. I just want to show you. Look at that, bro. Watch this. Watch when I hit this corner. Oh, no. Look at that. Look at that. You can't tell me that ain't lit. Ooh, where you see that at? On Voilame channel. Come on down. You're going to see some crazy stuff. Don't mind the window. It was a bunch of bugs up here, man. Damn near a wasp nest fell on this beat. But yeah, this how it look. You gotta be careful. Don't worry about that. You know, sometimes you inflangulate. It ain't a word, but it's a word now. So let that be. Got the water over here ×3. I'm gonna show y'all something cool. Hold on, let me hit the corner.